Okay, second video on mixed numbers. This time we're going to look at multiplying with mixed numbers, and we'll do dividing mixed numbers as a separate video again after this. So there are kind of three different types of multiplying with mixed number cases that you have to deal with. One where you've got one mixed number and a proper fraction. Here we've got a mixed number and you're multiplying by a whole number. And here you've got two mixed numbers that we're multiplying together. Okay. We'll also look at some cases where there's cross-cancelling at the end. So the first one is 4 and 3 over 7 times 3 over 4. So we're going to convert 4 and 3 over 7 into an improper fraction. If you need to know how to do that, just check out the last video on mixed numbers converting. And we're going to multiply that by 3 over 4. So there's no cross-cancelling here. 3 and 7, no common factors. 31 and 4, no common factors. So we're going to end up with a little bit of a large fraction. We're going to end up with 31 times 3, which is 93, and 7 times 4, which is 28. However, we can convert this back into a mixed number. So 93 divided by 28 is going to end up as 3 and 9 over 28. And there's no simplifying there. Okay, so that's the first case. Second case, 4 and 3 over 7 multiplied by 3. Now, to be able to do this and think about it sensibly, we can remember that we can change a whole number to a fraction by just putting 3 over 1. So now we end up with 31 times 3, which is 93, and 7 times 1, which is 7. So we end up with 93 over 7. Again, we can convert that back into a mixed number. 93 divided by 7 is going to be 13 and 2 over 7. And again, that doesn't simplify. And the last case is when we're multiplying two mixed numbers together. So same thing applies. We're going to convert them both into improper fractions. 31 times 11 and then 7 times 4. Okay, that gives us 341 over 28. Again, we could do 341 divided by 28 to give us 12 remainder 5. Change that into a proper fraction. Finally, let's look at this case here. We've got 2 1/4 multiplied by 1 and 7/9, 7 over 9. Improper fraction, 9 over 4, 16 over 9. Now the 9 and the 9 can both be divided by 9 to give us 1. 4 and 16 can both be divided by 4 to give us 1 down here and 4 on the top right. Now we're going to multiply 1 times 4 and 1 times 1 to give us 4 over 1, which is 4. Okay, so cross-cancelling will apply in all three of those cases.